All right, good morning, Idea Mentopolis College Prep. This is Mr. Gatto with your morning announcements. It's a thunderous throwback Thursday, January the 21st. Today is a B day. Please join me in today's pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right, happy birthday to the following students. Oh, excuse me there. Happy birthday to the following students: Ivan Crispin in 7th grade, Briseth Melendez in 8th grade, George Ontiveros in 7th grade, and Irvin Alvarez in 10th grade. We hope you'll have a great day, guys. We hope everything is awesome. It's a day filled with love and learning and friendship and all the good stuff. So happy birthday, y'all. We hope that you have a great day. All right, so here's our January word count competition. Just want to go ahead and remind everybody that the home room or the top home rooms in each grade level will be receiving an ice cream party. I guess we could call it that. Ice cream, February 5th. So again, want to highlight our leaders there, and also want to highlight that amazing growth by Miss Reyes' homeroom in 6th grade, not far behind Miss McGrew there. All right, now with that said, let's go ahead and move on to our calculator drop-off. So if y'all are out there and checked out a calculator for the December ACT exam, please make sure that you've returned these to the campus as soon as possible. All right, earn a chip party. So go ahead and re-register and earn a chip party. The link is right there. And yeah, go and complete the form by the 27th so you can earn your snack. Refer a friend and win. If you know somebody that wants to come to Idea Mentopolis, go ahead and refer them using that link right there. And the grade with the most referrals will win a popsicle party. Competition ends on the 28th. Volunteers are needed. Super Recruitment Day, January 23rd, 9 to 4 p.m. Again, just want to remind everybody, the link is right there to sign up. Compete for a chance to win prizes. And you can go ahead and earn these volunteer hours. I know a number of us are going to be needing that, so something to think about. All right, schedule shifts. This is where we're going to spend a little bit of time. New schedule starting Monday, January 25th. But for now, right, these next couple of days, want to continue with the same schedule that we've been using up to this point. But what's coming around on Monday? So here we have middle school right there. We have finally filled in what our core classes will be at what time they'll be happening. Go ahead and pause there for a better look at that. All right. And for high school, same thing right there. We'll go ahead and take a pause to take a look at where we're being grouped off for 9th and 10th grade. Same with 11th and 12th grade. Let's take a look at the different groups that we have, the time shifts, time adjustments. All right. All right, attendance. Y'all know this is very important. You cannot get credit for your classes if you miss too many days. Texas law states that you have to be here 90% of the time. Can't miss more than 18 days of school. All right. Proper mask use. Again, want to highlight the nose right up here. This is what we want to see. This is what we don't want to see, especially right here with the nose area. Okay. Questions. If any of us have questions, please text us at the number there. Follow us on Facebook right there at the link, and go ahead and follow us on YouTube as well to catch up on announcements. All right. Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if no one tells you this today, remember that we love you, we believe in you, and we always will. Have a great day, Bulldogs. Now it's time for Move This World.